Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Statistics problems often look tricky, but we can solve this one in 60 seconds by identifying the population and the method used for data collection today. The fan is interested in the mean salary of players on one specific team. The fan collects data for all 28 players on that exact team. You got this, team. Since the fan gathers data from every single member of the target group, this is not a sample at all. It is a complete enumeration of the entire population. Let's go! A census occurs when you measure every individual in the population of interest. Therefore, option E is the only accurate description of this data collection process. Boom, we are done! Got it. Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't confuse samples with reality. Always check if you measured all to define a census.